Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 20, teaching the specifics on the path on which we enter great bliss. Teaching that in the Great Perfection we have nothing to refute or to prove. Now there is even more to be explained. The awareness that is refuted or proven is differential. Everyone is self-originating in their perfection. We do not move away from the one circle. We do not refute. We do not prove. We do not crave. We do not attribute. We have no vision. We have no thought. We are beyond any consciousness of self or other. We abide by the contemplation of self-originating wisdom. Any markings at our 6 doors that may appear, we settle into a sentience of natural awareness. The mind of supreme bliss, which is a demarcated sensation, and the bodhicitta, which is our astounding self-awareness, spin within the space of non-dual wisdom. We use the true nature of a perfect circle to see with self-originating and unmoving minds. The heart essence of self-origination is the transmission of perfection. As for the essential meaning, here, without any delay, are the Upadesha instructions for having nothing to do. We are beyond all the divisions of refutations and proofs. We do not make any settling of our thoughts. We settle naturally. We have no works or quests for our bodies, minds, and speech. The taste of delight is beyond all our attachments and hatreds. The meaning of our self-origination, just as it is that to the direct perception of our awareness, which is beyond motion, there is clarity regarding what it means to have an uncontrived heart essence. Buddhas and sentient beings are not a two. Our emotional problems do not refute or prove our wisdom. The blessings of compassion are most astounding. The secret circle does not contract or expand. The totality of our minds and their mental events blaze in the light of self-originating awareness. This does not depend on any warmth or signs. Our self-origination is the miracle of our perfection. The uncontrived arises within our experience of our own true natures.